Hey there, money-savvy viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in financial tech to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to transfer money from Remitly to PNC Bank in 2025. With updates in banking apps and security features, this process is more seamless than ever. Whether you're sending funds from overseas or just linking accounts, I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First off, make sure you have accounts with both Remitly and PNC Bank. Remitly is a popular app for international transfers, and PNC is a reliable U.S. bank. Start by opening the Remitly app on your phone or visiting their website. If you're new, download it from your app store and sign up. It's quick and secure. Step 1. Log into your Remitly account and navigate to the Send Money section. You'll see options for recipients. Select Bank Account as your delivery method. Now, enter the recipient's details. That's your PNC bank account. Double-check the account number, routing number, and your name as it appears on the account to avoid any hiccups. Step 2. Choose the amount you want to transfer and review any fees. In 2025, Remitly might have new low-fee options or faster transfer times, so keep an eye out for promotions. Select PNC Bank from the list of supported banks. It's usually straightforward, but if it's not listed, you might need to manually enter the bank's routing info. Step 3. Verify your identity if prompted. With enhanced security in 2025, you may need to use two-factor authentication or biometric verification to protect your transaction. Once that's done, confirm the transfer details and hit send. You'll get a confirmation email or notification almost instantly. A few tips to make this smoother. Always check for the best exchange rates if you're dealing with international currency, and monitor your PNC account for the funds to arrive. It could take a few minutes to a couple of days. If you run into issues, Remitly's customer support is top-notch and available 24/7. There you have it, folks. Transferring money from Remitly to PNC Bank in 2025 is simple, secure, and efficient. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.